Welcome, you're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate once again. And topic is that study through mobile phone is better or study through book is better. So, which medium of study is better? So, this team will speak in the favor of mobile, that study through mobile phone is better, and this team will speak in the favor of book, that study through is book better. So,
So, so I think that learning from the books is the best medium for all of the students. Today, I will put some evidences on this topic through which you will easily get to know that yes, of course, learning from the books is the best medium for all of the students. Well, if I talk about in this generation, then what is going on in this generation? What is happening? Everyone has mobile phone. Everyone is using mobile phone. Almost all the people are using mobile phone in the whole world. There are 70% people who are using mobile phone in bad way, and there are 30% people who are using mobile phone in good way. Whatever they are doing on the mobile phone, but they are using mobile phone in good way. 30%, just 30%. Okay. So if I talk about it, means it means we can use our mobile phone in both the ways, in good way as well as in bad way. But tell me that can I use my books in bad way? Can I misuse my books? Can I learn from the books in bad way? Of course not. We can't. We never are learn. We never learn from the books in bad way. We never use our books in bad way. Of course not. We can't use. It means always we use our books in bad way. Always we learn from the books in bad way. And Bashir Bhai, Bashir brother was mentioning about that we can imagine the things. If we learn from the mobile phone, we can imagine. But according to the neuroscience, it mentioned there that if we learn from the books, we can easily imagine in our mind, and the imagination comes if we learn from the books, not from the mobile phone. Now you can.
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Sophia Malik. I'm delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you and share my views on the topic. The topic is which way of learning is better for a student. Well, I personally believe that learning through mobile phone is far better than learning through books. Why? Firstly, I would like to tell you the advantages of mobile phone, that how mobile phone can help us to study effectively. First is learning application. In our mobile phone, learning applications are there. If we have a doubt, if we have a query in a topic or in a chapter, so we can clear it with the help of Google Classroom, with the help of Doubtnut, with the help of Doubtnut, Vedantu. These are the apps which help us to study effectively. Second, you know why a person had been implemented, or mobile phone not implemented but executed, invented mobile phone. Why? For the benefit, to make the work easier, it was invented. you know Now we all are dependent on mobile phone. Why? Because we can carry everything with the help of mobile phone. Without carrying a book, we can go and we can study. I agree that all the books are not available on the Play Store, but there are certain websites on Chrome's on which you can download it and you can take benefit of those books. Second, everything is available, like deleted syllabus, in-text question solution, RDX Sharma, and reference books. Everything is available on the mobile phone, so we don't need to depend on the books if we have mobile phone.
Okay. It means we can store thousands of books in the mobile phone, just in a device. We can download, we can store thousands of books. This is known as ebook. Okay, ebook versus physical book. So let's talk about it. There are so many people famous people who always give advice to us that learn from the physical books. You should learn from the physical books. How many people who are saying Elon Musk? He always says to us that learn from the physical books, and he used to learn two books in a day. Second is the Bill Gates. He used to learn 50 books in a year. 50 books in a year. He reads two books. He reads to 50 books in a year. It means 10 books in a week. Secondly, is the third one is the Warren Buffett. He used to learn books 6 hours in a day. So these are, and they always say that I used to learn these books, and because of that books I got famous a lot. And you can also become famous, you can also become something in your life just because of reading, just because of learning from the books, learning from the physical books, not
Okay.
e-books.
May I?
Yeah.
Okay, so my opponents were talking about disturbance. That because
Disturbance?
of disturbance and distraction, they were talking about
No, I am not talking.
my opponents.
Okay.
They were talking about distraction, that whenever we try to learn with the help of mobile phone, so we distract a lot. So I want to say that first of all, the simple solution is to turn off the notification of unimportant apps. Okay, which is social media's apps. You know that if you are distracting because of these apps, so turn off the notification, simple. And second, I would like to Pratibha? And second, I would like to talk about that everywhere is distraction in the world. Okay, whether you are studying in the classroom or you are studying at your home, everywhere is distraction. When you are studying in the classroom, the noise which is coming, the students are making with that noise, you are distracting.
Okay.
When you are studying at home and your family members are watching movies, then you are distracting. When you are learning at home and the construction work is going on in your street, then you are distracting. So everywhere is distraction. The thing which comes in my mind is self control. If we have the power of self control, then we will be something in our life. And when we write the exam, so that time also we face problems, we face disturbance from other class. So at the time, should we left the things? Should I say to my teacher that the disturbance is coming, that's why I am unable to write my answer? Is it?
Okay, you are saying that we can learn from mobile phone as well. Thousands of people are learning from the books, from the mobile phone. Do you know that how many people are learning from the books, from the mobile phone? Just only 4% people are learning from the mobile phone, and there are 96% people who are learning from the books. Actually, they are learning from the books. And secondly, that okay, I agree that we can learn from the books, from the mobile phone. But tell me that how long can I learn? As much as I want, I can learn. But won't it affect? Of course, it will affect on my mind. It will affect on my eyes as well. Whether I am using in good way or bad way, it doesn't matter. It will affect on my eyes definitely. But in the
The
case
goggles
of, in the
come, so
case of books,
the goggles in the market are available.
okay,
You can
okay.
wear
If I
it
talk about
and you can
those
use it.
students, if I talk about those people who doesn't want, Sarji, if I talk about those students who don't want to wear goggles, what about them?
I don't care. Okay, I want to
I
give
don't care.
answer. Sir, I want to give answer to Safia. Only simple answer. I want to give answer. I don't know. Sir, Miss Safia, she said that when we download, okay, we are downloading and we are keeping the books in our mobile phone. We are not reading. So same with the books. We are just buying the books. We are keeping it at home in our wardrobe, and we are not studying. So what's the use of those books then?
When we have books,
Yeah.
means I'm not talking about downloaded books, I'm talking about physical books which we have at our home. When we have, at the time when we will see them, so we will think that we should study. But in mobile phone we will not see them,
whole
that I
day
have
we use
downloaded
mobile
this much,
phone.
I don't have,
Whole day we use mobile phone, and we see that the pictures are there, education related.
listen, everything is there, but it's up to you how you are using.
Same,
And same, yeah, that's why same, listen to
Same
me.
allows
Same,
with the
same.
mobile phone. If you have mobile phone, it's up to us.
Listen.